Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer XDC from your Ledger Nano X to MetaMask in 2025. If you're holding XDC and want to move it to a more accessible wallet for trading or staking, this guide is perfect for you. It's straightforward, secure, and I'll walk you through each step to avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Ledger Nano X and MetaMask set up. Update your Ledger device to the latest firmware and install the XDC app if you haven't already. This is crucial for compatibility in 2025, as blockchain networks evolve quickly. On your computer, open MetaMask and add the XDC network manually. You'll need the network details, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. You can find these on the official ShinFin website. Just search for XDC network details to copy them accurately. Once that's done, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the XDC app on your Ledger device. Now, switch to MetaMask on your browser. Click on the account you want to receive the XDC and copy the wallet address. Double-check it to prevent any errors. Next, go back to your Ledger. In the XDC app, select the Send option. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, paste the MetaMask address as the recipient, and review the transaction details carefully. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger by checking the screen. Never rush this step for security reasons. Once confirmed, the transfer should process on the XDC network, which might take a minute or two depending on network congestion. After it's done, head back to MetaMask and refresh your account. You should see your XDC balance updated. Remember, always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like XDC Explorer to ensure everything went smoothly. That's it, folks. You've successfully transferred XDC from your Ledger Nano X to MetaMask. This method keeps your assets secure while giving you more flexibility. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.